car, we'll board up coach number 3. You have tickets for the open air, board up coach number 6 or 7. All other passengers, please board a car labeled coach from the station down to coach 5. Again, stand clear of the tracks on the brick behind the concrete walkway and allow this train to move safely into the station. Train number 400. The executive departs promptly at 4 o'clock for Paradise. Thank you.
Good.